Hi beautiful friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Turai, and if this is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, please welcome. Watch my videos, subscribe, share my videos, comment and like my videos. On today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how I made this beautiful crochet skirt with fringes at the lower part for beautiful ladies. You can use it as a beach wear or just wear it at home. Rock it and look beautiful with it. So let's go ahead and begin. In order to begin, I'll be using 4 colors of yarn: red, pink, blue and another blue. Then you will also be needing a row counter. This is very important to count the numbers of rows you've made. A darning needle, 2.5mm crochet hook and a 1.2mm crochet hook, and finally you'll be needing a stitch marker. Now let's begin. To begin, you are going to make a slip knot. In order to make a slip knot, put your yarn, insert your hook, turn over, chain 1, lock it, go ahead and make 11, chain 11. To begin, to make the row 1, yarn over, insert your hook into the 8th stitch. So yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 1. You are going to make double crochet into each of the chain stitches. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 3 loops, yarn over, pull out 2 loops, yarn over, pull out 1. At the end of the row, we have a total of 8 stitches plus your chain stitch, making it 9. So in order to make the next row, chain 3, then turn over. We are going to be making into the back loops only. So yarn over, in the next stitch, insert directly into the back loop. You pull out, so for the last stitch, you're going to make directly into the chain stitch. For row 3, chain 1, 2, 3, turn over. We are going to be making into the back loops only. Insert your hook to the back loop, yarn over, pull out 3 loops, yarn over, yarn over, pull out 2, yarn over, pull out 1. So repeat this until you've gotten to the end of the row. I'll meet you when we've gotten to the end of the row. At the end of the row, you are going to make directly into the chain stitch hole. So we are going to keep repeating this process until you've gone all around your waist measurement. I'll meet you when we get to the end of this pattern. So for the waist, you're going to keep making it until you've gotten around your waist. After then, we are going to proceed to the next pattern. For the next pattern, we are going to be making chain stitches. So Now chain in the multiples of 4, long enough to go around your hips. So this is 1, 2, there. I have a total of 157. Yarn over 2 times. Skip 1, 2, 3. Skip 1, 2, 3, 4 into the 5th stitch. Insert your hook. Yarn over. Pull out 3. Then yarn over. Skip 1, 2 to the 3rd stitch. Insert your hook. Yarn over. Pull out 5 loops. Yarn over. Pull out 4. Yarn over. Pull out 3. Yarn over. Pull out 2. Yarn over. Pull out 1. So make 1, 2, 2 chain, then make a double crochet into this 2 front loops. Yarn over, pull out 2, yarn over, pull out 1. Now yarn over 2 times to the next chain stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 4 loops, yarn over, pull out 3, yarn over, skip 1, 2 to the 3rd stitch. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 5. Now we are going to be dropping the loops in the multiples of 2. Pull over, pull out 4, pull out 3, pull out 2, pull all through, 1, 2, double crochet into this space. Yarn over 2 times. I'm going to repeat this pattern until we reach the end of the row. I'll come back and I'll show you the next thing we'll be doing. Okay, so at the end of first row, yarn over 2 times, insert into the last chain stitch, grab a yarn, pull out. This is like four loops. Grab a yarn, pull out 3 loops, grab a yarn, pull out 2, grab a yarn, pull out 1. So we are going to be joining it. So pick up from where you started from. Okay, chain 2. So into each of the stitches here, we are going to be making a half double crochet. This is your yarn over. Into the first stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 3 loops. This is it, 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull all through. Yarn over into these chain stitches. Remember we made two chain stitches here. So insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 3 loops, yarn over, pull all through, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull all through. So for this row you're going to continue with half double crochet until you've gotten to the end of the row. I'll meet you then. Okay, so at the end of the row you'll be making the last stitch into this. The last stitch you'll be making it into this first treble crochet. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 3, yarn over, pull out all through. Then you're going to make a slip stitch into the first 2 chain stitch that you made at the beginning. So chain 1, 2, 3, 4. This stands as the first triple crochet. So make another triple crochet, yarn over 3 times, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 4, yarn over, pull out 3, yarn over, pull out 2, pull out 1. And from the next stitch, we're going to be making out the former pattern we've been making. That is, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 4 loops, yarn over, pull out 3, yarn over, skip 1, 2 stitches into the third stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull out 5, yarn over, pull out 4, pull out 3, pull out 2, then pull all through, chain 2, yarn over into the front loop, make a double crochet. Okay, so yarn over 2 times. This is what we have, so we are just going to continue this pattern until we've gotten to the end of the row. I'll meet you at the end of the row. So chain 1, 2, 3. This stands as your half double crochet, so I'm going to be making 2 half double crochet into each of these stitches.